Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Prakriti and today we are going to move further with chapter 1 of Indian Contract Act, that is of the communication, acceptance and revocation of proposals. According to section 3, it is mentioned the communication, acceptance and revocation of proposals. In the last video we have discussed what are proposals, kind of proposals, and in this video we are going to discuss when the proposals communicated, the proposals are to be accepted, and the revocation of proposals also, because in certain conditions the revocation is also made. The communication of proposals, the acceptance of proposals, and the revocation of proposals and acceptance, because the revocation is of both the things, the proposals and the acceptances respectively, are deemed to be made by any act or the omission of the party of proposing, accepting or revoking, by which he intends to communicate such proposal, acceptance or revocation, or which has the effect of communicating it. And according to section 4, communication when complete. The communication of a proposal is complete when it comes to the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. The communication of an acceptance is complete as against the proposal when it is put in course of transmission to him as to out of the power of the acceptor, as accept the acceptor when it comes to the knowledge of the proposal. The acceptance is made when the communication is complete, because against the proposal, when a person proposes, then he becomes a proposer, and the acceptance power is with the proposee, and when he gives the knowledge to the proposer, the communication of acceptance is complete. The communication of a revocation is complete as he is the person who makes it when it is put into a course of transmission to the person to whom it is made, so as to be out of the power of the person who makes it, as against to the person to whom it is made when it is known to his knowledge. So it is very clear in this section that the communication is made by the person who have the power to make it. So the revocation is made by the person who have the power, and the power here means the person who have the right. So when the proposer makes a proposal to proposee, the proposee has the power to complete the communication of acceptance, and for the against revocation of acceptance and of the proposal, the power is in hand of who makes it, whether it is acceptance or proposal. And it is complete when the knowledge to whom this revocation or this acceptance is made to the other party. When the information is provided to other party, then it is made to be completed, then it is said the communication is complete. According to illustrations, A proposes by letter to sell a house to B at a certain price. The communication of the proposal is complete when B receives the letter. It is very clear with this illustration that A makes a proposal. The proposal is complete when B receives that letter and he has that knowledge that A is proposing something, that he wants to sell a house to him. So when B have this knowledge, then the proposal is complete. The communication is complete. B accepts A proposals by letter sent by a post. So when B accepts it, then the proposal is accepted by that B. By when he sent the post and the post is received by A, then the acceptance communication is completed.